Hey everybody, it's Renee here, and I'm back to show you the flip through of this fun journal I made. And if you haven't seen parts 1 or parts 2, you might want to go back and check that out. This will be for sale in my Etsy shop. The link will be down below. And you want to check that out while it's available. And it's a lot of fun. It is a 5 signature journal. There's an area here for you to hang any kind of trinkets or whatnot. I can add that for you. I will have one available if you're interested. If you're the person that wants to buy this, you can always message me and I can put one on there, but not everybody likes those, so I just wanted to make sure. So this is the journal, and I really had a lot of fun with this one. For those of you that want a measurement, I'll do this in inches. It is 9.5 by, let's see here, just over 11, so 11.25. So this journal was a lot of fun to make. I have added a bunch of papers. Like I said, there's 5 signatures. There's 12 sheets per signature, which gives you 120 sheets when they're folded over. And this is the flip through. I've left a lot of it empty so you can add your own bits and pieces. And you will get a package of goodies, which I will show you closer to the end of the video, of goodies that will come with it. Plus I have a whole bunch of surprises that I'm going to add to the package for you as well. So you will also get that, but it will be a surprise. So like I said, there is a bunch of, I've done vintage papers, I've done some collage papers, I've done some scrapbook papers, there's deli paper, there's mixed media paper, here is some handmade paper, and I've also added 144 pound weight mixed media paper, so you can do drawing or painting or whatever you want, or if that's not your thing, you can always just add your own bits and pieces onto this paper or journal on it. So like I said, there's a lot of fun stuff. There's some scrap trinket stuff, lots of fun goodness in this. I really liked this one. It was a lot of fun to make, as most of them are, but this one was a lot of fun. I love the colors, and I added a lot of areas for you to journal or add your bits and pieces that you want for your own take on what you want the journal to look like. So this is just our first signature, and I'm going to have lots of journals coming up. Lots of fun with these. And then we go into our second journal, and I do leave space in here so you can always add some more papers, whether you add it with washi tape or whatever. You can add some more papers inside here and then attach them however you see fit. And it also is nice to have some space in between too. So it gives you space so you have room to add things to your journal and it's not overflowing. So here's some stuff here too. Here's some wallpaper. It's nice. This one is some vintage ledger. So you can add things here or clip it or whatever you want to do. This has a little bit of mixed media on it. This is a TaylorMade journal, so if you haven't, check out TaylorMade journals. You can see her stuff on Etsy. Some vintage ads from the 1950s. This is some vintage scribbler paper, some old graph paper, mixed media, these are a lot of fun, and there's lots of room for you to rate or add pictures or draw or whatever you want to do. have lots of journals for sale. Not all of them are in my Etsy shop, but you can also go and check out my Facebook page. The link is down below. I have some available for sale in my scrap trinkets and also on Create and Play with Renee or Renee's scrapbooking garage sale. This is avocado paper. This is mixed media. This is coffee dyed. This is vintage paper. I'm using a bag. This page. There's lots of room for you here. And I think I priced this one affordably. This is vintage gift wrap. This is a bag, so you can put stuff in here and use it as an envelope. So this is a lot of fun. And there's like lots of space, like I said. This, you could write something on it or add a page to it. There's one signature left, and in that signature, before we go to that one, I'm going to show you what is in the goodie bag. So in here, you can always use this bag. We have a vintage receipt, a postcard, try and do this easily, a flashcard. This is a vintage envelope, a vintage tag, doily, a picture, a little envelope, one of the tags I made, another tag I made, another tag I made, this is a wax seal I made, and then another vintage receipt. So all of this will be in the bag. And like I said, you'll also get the surprise bag of goodies that you can add as well. Now back to our last signature. And don't forget to hit that subscribe so you don't miss out on other things coming up soon. And don't forget to hit that the bell notification and the all. And hit the like if you like my videos, which is very much appreciated. So in our last signature, this is what we have. And I have been doing commission work lately, so if there's something you would like commissioned, just send me a message at my email at createandplaywithrenee@gmail.com. And if that went by too fast, my email is listed down below in the description. I just love these. I love making them. I love journaling in them. And I hope you do too. So if this is something you like, make sure you check out that Etsy shop. Again, the link will be down below. It's a gorgeous journal with lots of room for you to add your own take on things. So you can make it that big just by adding what you want. You get that plus all of the goodies I showed you. So again, don't forget to hit that subscribe and the bell notification and the all so you don't miss out on other future videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have an awesome day.